Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. So let's get cooking. Yeah. Okay guys, let's get right into it. Today, a black guy make authentic Chinese beef chow mein. And don't mean to offend anyone that's watching this. I'm a big fan of martial arts and all type of stuff. So, saying that, say this, let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you what I got. I got deluxe stir-fried stuff, and they have in it broccoli, Italian green beans, carrots, baby corn cobs, water chestnuts, and red pepper. I have 2 bags of that. I have like 2 pounds of beef. This was like a flat iron steak. So what I did was I sliced it real thin and I smashed down and stuff like that. Then I put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I put a teaspoon of baking soda. I finna say baby powder. Yeah, baking soda. And I put 2 drops of this right here. This is, if you don't know what this is ginger oil. I was gonna cut up some ginger, and I do have some, but I'm not gonna do it today. I put a little of this blackened, what is this, sesame oil. I put about a tablespoon of that in there, and I put some rice vinegar in it. I put some soy sauce in it. I put like a tablespoon of that in it. Alright. Now this other seasoning I'm going to be using for this is mushroom right here. It's like a mushroom soy sauce. Alright. I'm going to be using that for a sauce. And this is like oyster sauce right here. Oyster flavor sauce. So we're going to be using that. We're going to be using some more sesame to fry up the stuff. And I also have like 4 green onions, and I just slice them in half and stuff. Right here I have 2 or 3 garlics right here I sliced thinly. And that's what we're going to be doing. These noodles right here is dry, dry noodles, Oriental Canton style noodles. That's what these are. And we're going to go ahead and get started with our meat, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm not really finna be doing anything. I'm just showing you what you're going to be needing in the kitchen. This is just a regular standard size medium pot. And if you don't have a wok, I just got this wok. I had to like oil it up because they said oil, cook some oil in it before you get to cooking. You can use a standard size medium saute skillet, like something like this. Okay. So as you know, I made them shrimp fried rice in that. So, but I wanted this wok. It just seemed like it tastes better. I love Chinese food, man. I can't emphasize on that enough, and I like their culture. And I went to the store, to the little Chinese store here, and I asked the lady, does she have certain stuff? She said, what you want this stuff for? I said, because I'm trying to make some Chinese food. She said, just go to the restaurant. I said, no, I ain't going to the restaurant. I said, because I like, you know, I'm a cook. I want to make my own stuff. Then she showed me what everything was and told me what I need. So I ain't never really cooked Chinese food, not like that, not authentically. So, but I'm doing it. I'm learning now. We're learning now. So that's what we're gonna need. We're gonna need this medium size right here. If you have a wok, use a wok. We're gonna let this come to a boil. I said I'm gonna get started with my meat, but I want to go ahead and do my noodles so they can drain and stuff. We're gonna cook those for probably about approximately like maybe 4 minutes, or until they get like al dente a little bit, and then we're gonna take them out and let them dry. So that's why I want to do that first, and then we'll get started on our meat. I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. The water is boiling. I'm just gonna throw some of these noodles in there. how much noodles to put in there. I'll probably put the whole bag in there. Try that right now. So, oh yeah, I do have these too. But we're gonna just let these break up and cook. And I'll be back when they start loosening up in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Breaking up over here. So these done. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. So it was 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, it was like 3-4 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those out and let them sit up and dry out. So I'm gonna rinse these off in some cold water because I don't want them to keep cooking. See you guys in a minute. Throw that in there. Okay. That bad boy cook up a little bit. Put me a little bit more oil in it. Around the edge like this. Browning up pretty good, and then I take this out. I want it tough. So you guys comment at the bottom and let me know how I'm doing for you guys. And for those that's not a subscriber, this is your time to subscribe. And we're just gonna go ahead and go in with our vegetables, our garlic, and with our onions. Put a little bit more oil in there. Going with our vegetables. If you want to use some mushrooms and stuff like that, you can. If you want to use some shallots, you can. Right now I'm just trying to keep it simple. And I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. What I'm gonna do here is take some of this seasoning along with a cup of water. Matter of fact, you know what? We ain't gonna use no water. I'm gonna take some beef broth. How about that? That's the beef broth right here. Can you guys see that? I'm gonna take about a cup of that. Take up some oyster sauce first. Yes, it's like Heinz. About that much. That's like a teaspoon. Some darkened sauce. Another teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3. Alright. We take our beef broth. Put that in there. We'll turn this back up because we want our stuff to stay up to temperature. So we're going to get us some sugar. Oh, I bet you thought I was going to forget that sugar. Huh? Right there. Just to tone down some of that saltiness. And I'll be back. I'm going to continue to stir this and I'll be back. Okay. We're just going to go ahead and add some of our meat in there. Just like that. I'll save some for some people that don't like the onions and stuff. And we get our noodles. Put some noodles in there. If I can break them apart. There you go. Alright, we just mix this together. Just mix it till it get thick, then take it out, plate it up. Okay? See you in a minute. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is. Where a black guy made authentic beef chow mein. Or should I say, where a black guy makes Chinese authentic beef chow mein. From my home to yours. So guys, please give me a like, a share, and a subscribe to this video. And tell all your friends and family to subscribe to Veil Dog channel, where we be making restaurant quality foods or better. From my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking.